We've been using the HP USB-C G5 dock for a while now, and it's become a key part of our daily setup. Let me show you how we've set it up. The laptop connects with the single USB-C Thunderbolt cable. It handles power, data and video all at once. You can even turn on the laptop directly using the dock's power button, which is super convenient. Just make sure your laptop actually supports USB-C with Thunderbolt. Not every USB-C port can connect to monitors. In our case, we are running two external monitors using two DisplayPort cables, but depending on your setup, HDMI or a mix of both is also possible. On the front, there's a USB-C port for data and charging. On the side, you've got two USB-A ports and a headphone jack. On the back, there are two more USB-A ports, two display ports, one HDMI, Ethernet and a lock slot. It delivers up to 120 watt of power, enough to charge most laptops while running everything else. And it supports up to 3 external monitors at the same time. If you are building a clean and efficient workspace with multiple screens, this dock is flexible enough to fit different setups, and it just works.